But you can't just be allowed to run down everybody and get up and walk because you are Afenyo Markin. Why?
What the majority leader is doing, is not fair. He raises his issues. You don't have to respond. When you are responding, he now determines how you should respond to him.
But you can't just be allowed to run down everybody and get up and walk because you are Afenyo Markin. Why? It will not be allowed. I am going to look, this whole issue about you making a preliminary statement, show me a rule that says that you have a right to make a preliminary statement. Show me in our standing orders anything that says that you, Afenyo Markin, have a right to make preliminary statements. You don't. Listen, we developed it as a practice. We developed it as a practice where normally the two leaders may make welcoming statements and general open statements, but you have converted it into a platform to do a press conference where you attack and impugn people and walk away with it. I'm saying that today you will not attack anybody and walk away once I sit in this committee.
You know, Ghana, as I'm talking to you, our leaders, ladies and gentlemen, every Sunday, I think that we have to go in, the church. Fridays, I think the Muslims have to also chip in and then pray. Because right now, send a American Akuritinga and Penny Fonas Afenyo Markin together with Honorable Mahama Ayariga Akuritinga.
Our rules are clearly offended because the rules I just read clearly offend that. But the rules clearly are offended. Chairman, the rules say that the conduct of the speaker, the Chief Justice, members and justices of the Superior Court of Judicature shall not be raised in Parliament except on a substantive motion. He has just raised the question of the conduct of a Supreme Court judge who chaired the committee. And he describes it and the conduct and what the justice did as a travesty of justice. He has raised the conduct of that judge. He has. And the rules are clear. And I can assure you that I will not allow you to breach any inch of the rules today. No inch of the rules will I allow you to breach.
Let me respond to him. Chairman, let me respond to him. Chairman, let me respond to him.
You see, I cannot go and be giving you the opportunity when the person who is speaking is in the process of responding to the issue.
It doesn't fit in the rules.
Yes, Honourable Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Mr. Chairman.
Honourable members, order. Honourable.
You know, all this is about the new Chief Justice who has been nominated. I'm talking about Ora Bafuboni. I just said John Dramani Mahama. Agent is a acting Chief Justice. Aside that, he later assigned him and also nominated him to the Chief Justice position. Ladies and gentlemen, after Madam Tokunu, now saying but before that, the minority, which is the NPP, made a suggestion on the floor of Parliament, telling the Speaker of Parliament, say, Omo, they are not going to participate in this whole thing. And as they see it to be an unlawful act that the President, together with the new nominated Chief Justice, is doing. Now, Monday, this week, I research a phone call. Woman in this time, say confusion on Afenyo Markin versus Mahama Ayariga. Now, as I'm talking to you, according to the minority, they are not ready to tolerate this unlawful behavior. They are not ready to tolerate this like unconstitutional behavior by the minorities. By the majority, and then the president. So, almost say free court, free vetting committee na ase. I had them every day show. Can you subscribe? Afenyo share link in my for the next thing is you do to leave a comment. Honorable Afenyo Markin, anyone say who born dog
appears to have been well rehearsed.
by the majority leader with a view.
You see, Honorable Leader,
Chairman,
you have been a majority leader
Chairman,
before.
Chairman,
Becoming a minority leader, there is nothing that is well reserved.
Chairman, this approach where you come, force you, speak, put on the mic, then you say it is expunged. What exactly, what particular word are we expunging?
I think you heard my ruling very
Chairman.
loud and clear. If you disagree with it, you know what to do.
Very
you
well.
proceed.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We are all aware of what this whole thing is leading to. So no problem. Chairman, we the minority hold a view that Article 1271 gives the Chief Justice authority to ensure effective administration of justice. Article 1272 requires all state organs to assist the courts. Yet, in the instant situation, there are no visible steps to compel speedy trial. We have not yet heard of any hearing for all cases challenging the legitimacy of the process leading to the removal of Her Ladyship Justice Araba Isaba Tokolo. We believe that the acting Chief Justice wields the administrative power on this matter, and just as the injunction applications were held expeditiously, same could have applied in this instance. Chairman, it is regrettable that our motion that was intended to have dealt upon this matter did not see the light of day. We hold a view that the judiciary is not the executive's enforcement arm. It is neither parliament ally in political projects. It is a guardian of our constitution, the protector of our rights, the final arbiter of all our laws. Its independence is sacrosanct. Its integrity is non-negotiable. It is the oracle of justice emanating from the people of Ghana. Chairman, for all the reasons given, including the very actions of the majority leader, basically denying us every opportunity of expressing our opinion on an important national discourse. Be it known to you, Chairman, and the committee, and the country, that we, the minority caucus, hereby vote en bloc to reject the nominee. We would want to state on record that the majority can proceed with the questions. We do not intend to proceed with any questions. We are, however, registering in the strongest terms that we reject the nomination, and the records should reflect that the report of this committee be a majority report.
You have not said that. You have not said that. Listen to him.
Honorable colleague, when we show you respect, reciprocate. So far, we have extended to you every courtesy. We've heard all those unpalatable words. we've heard the abuse. So please, for posterity's sake, listen to us. We don't need to vet a nominee before we vote against the nominee. We have preliminary issues well grounded in law. You may disagree with us. And we say that on the basis of that, we cannot be part of a process that would give right to another and deny another of her bona fide as enshrined in the Constitution. Chairman, that said, we would yield to you to proceed whilst we exit this committee room with our views well documented for the records, and on the floor we shall proceed with the debate, further stating our position and take a vote against the nominee as required by the rules of the plenary. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Minority Leader. But how do you reject a nominee who is yet to be vetted?
Yes. No, she believes in us.
The report is not ready to be voted for. We are not at the stage of approval. So your conclusion is very preemptive. Yes,
Chairman, with respect. Chairman, with
this is not what I want you to respond.
No, Chairman, but
I don't want your
Chairman,
response
to the extent that you've raised it, I just need to.
Honorable Minority Leader,
Chairman,
you have your day.
Chairman,
you have your day. The two microphones should be off.
Chairman,
the two microphones should be off. With all due respect,
we have registered our position.
Honorable Minority Leader,
that we have rejected. We don't need to
agreed on your position.
We rejected, and we
voted agreed on your position.
Yes.
When it is time for voting, then you can vote against. Yes. So we thank you very much, and we wish you a very good luck. Honorable members.
This is our leaders, the men that they are leading us, the behavior that they do put out there. For the records, every eye is on them. The whole world is watching them. But according to the majority, Honorable Afenyo Markin, together with the minority, they want to suppress and then disrespect the Chief Justice nominee. So minority ni switch them up chambers. I had them every day, so subscribe. I think we are sharing link in the for the next thing is you do well to leave a comment.